general, special, generous, mean, gentle, violent, gentleman, lady, giant, tiny, girl, boy, give, take, go, stop, good, bad, guest, host, guilty, innocent, handsome, ugly, happiness, sadness, sadness, happy, sad, hard, soft, harvest, plant, hate, love, health, disease, healthy, ill, heat, cold, heaven, hell, heavy, light, hell, heaven, here, there, high, deep, high, low, hilly, flat, hit, miss, hopeful, hopeless, hopeless, hopeful, horizontal, vertical, host, guest, hot, cold, huge, tiny, human, animal, humane, cruel, humid, dry, hungry, thirsty, husband, wife, ignore, notice, ill, healthy, immigrate, emigrate, immigration, emigration, import, export, in, out, include, exclude, increase, reduce, innocent, innocent, guilty, inside, outside, insult, compliment, intelligent, stupid, intentional, accidental, interested, bore, interesting, boring, interrupt, continue, junior, senior, kind, cruel, lack, abundance, lady, gentleman, land, water, large, small, last, first, late, early, laugh, cry, lazy, active, lead, follow, learn, teach, leave, arrive, left, right, lend, borrow, less, more, let, forbid, lie, stand, life, death, light, dark, light, heavy, like, hate, liquid, solid, little, big, little, much, live, die, long, short, lose, win, loser, winner, loud, quiet, love, hate, lovely, terrible, low, high, lower, raise,